we're back. I got a few free hours today. Thought I'd come here and help the boys. Look at this one, looks complete. Oh, they got the blood on there and everything now. Yeah, look at that. That looks so good. Look at that. Dang. Big pile of moss. Blood dripping down from him. Oh, this is cool. Yeah, I like this netting. Staple it to the side. Kind of camouflage that speaker a little bit. Comes up. Look at this, boys. What do you think? That's what I'm talking about when I say you dress it up at the end. Make it look super nice. Nice. We got some blood on the beak. That's so cool. Check out these boys back here. What's up, ladies? Ah, yes, our new sign. Hey. This looks great. Yeah, this looks really cool. It's like the vision. I drew up this idea to have this welcome to PaFur haunt sign behind this guy. He's kind of, I think they call him a grave rocker or something like that from Scare Factory, I want to say. Is this guy from Scare Factory?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're going to have this welcome to PaFur haunt sign behind him here. And he's going to come up. And we have two little columns. Are you going to put those pumpkins on the front? Or what are you going to put up there? Skulls?
Lamps.
Oh, the lamps, that's right.
We're going to have 4 lamps now.
Oh, sweet. Hey, look at this cut.
You like that? Huh?
Nice work.
And look at the relief for the fingers.
Oh yeah, just in case.
We're getting serious on this shit.
Yeah, we found these cheap lamps on Amazon, I think. Put some fire flickering bulbs in there, right?
Yeah.
Sweet, and set this up.
Peel that off a little bit and kind of see if we can get it to work.
And we found this wax type paper at work, and we tried making these intestine looking stuff with some silicone. Looks like it's stuck more than I thought it would. I could probably work on that. This will be kind of stuck to the, see, it looks like intestines, just silicone. This will be stuck to the vultures over here. Just like on the last prop, we ended up going inside the frame or the base. Get the frame, a little more security there, nice and strong. This will try to disguise two little cuts like that, but it looks rough. It's fine. I'll check out the spackle. They got the cap on there. Fits perfect. This is how the spackle turned out. I'm gonna probably go a little bit thicker on the columns. do you think? It's dry. I think we just go a little bit thicker on it.
I agree. Want to try another blast on it?
I don't know, how much do we have of that stuff?
About 2 cans, but we don't have
Quite a bit.
I think we're okay.
Okay.
I think we just go thicker on it. It'll be fine.
Will you be putting that on the front doors?
Yeah. Found an eyeball added to the vulture. What you got in there?
This?
Yeah, what's that foam
It's,
shit?
it's the glue.
Oh, it's the spray? Nice. Oh, this looks so good from the front.
Good, huh?
That looks great.
Yeah.
Is there gonna be a fence in the front too?
Yeah.
Sweet.
So it's coming over the fence. You know?
Yeah.
The low line fence, right?
Well, we'll have to see what his clearance is. So,
I put it, yeah, I wanna go higher than,
yeah, these guys are designed to be over the fence.
right.
You're exactly right. We're about somewhere in there.
That's gonna be so cool. Arms don't hit the lights, do they?
We got all this.
Resting position is sweet too, like that. You can see the sign perfectly.
That's the idea, Christopher.
Yeah, this is sweet.
Sit tight for a minute, Albert. Wash your hands. Monday. Right. But now we can just sit it up there, see what it looks like.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, get that glue everywhere.
That's plenty.
Yes.
When it's down, but particularly if it's border around it, it's going to be not available for information.
Got enough nails in there?
Yeah, it'll quit shooting noises.
It has to go down perfectly. At the same time, your side has to go.
Yeah, push this side. It's working. There we go.
Nice, I can hear it tight.
She had tight one.
You did good, Pa. This is the design that I drew up just one day, and then Pa perfected it with these, getting it done and having these front columns added. But what do you guys think of this? I didn't have a whole lot of time to film today, but wanted to show you something. Work on the Halloween stuff. I was gonna wash some cars because I've been driving them actually. Just don't have time. I got a soccer game here in about an hour, so I gotta scoot. With some more work done on this, not next week because it's Memorial Day weekend, but probably the week or two after. Yeah, what do you guys think? This is gonna be sweet. So in here we're gonna have a metal sign saying PaFur Haunt. It's gonna fill up that void right there, and then we're gonna seal off the end caps of these columns, of course. So it'll be nice and dark. We'll backlight this by the strobe light, so the PaFur Haunt sign will have a flash behind it. Cap off the left side, we did the right. We got 2 more lights coming in tomorrow. That'll be on top of here. Have that little, I guess you call it like an ember flickering look to it, and then have the control board or the control panel here on a false wall in the back. Yeah, sweet. No new updates on cars, which is good. They're all here, they're all safe. I'll end this here. As always, appreciate you watching. See you in the next one. Thanks.